For decades, Earth maintained an unlikely symmetry. The northern hemisphere, with its vast land masses, cities, and industry, ran warmer and emitted more heat into space. The southern hemisphere, with its oceans and cloud cover, reflected more sunlight back. Together, they stayed in rough balance. And scientists thought that balance might be a fundamental feature of the planet's climate system. But the latest satellite record, covering 24 years, shows that balance has been lost. The northern hemisphere has grown darker, and it is now pulling in more solar energy than the south. That extra energy is not a minor detail. Spread across continents and seas, it is equivalent to the continuous output of hundreds of nuclear reactors running at once, absorbed and stored in the climate system. Because most of the world's land and population are in the north, the consequences reach directly into human environments. More heat over land drives faster surface warming, which in turn shifts rainfall. The equatorial rain bands are creeping northward, altering where storms build and where droughts take hold. Regions dependent on predictable monsoons are already showing signs of disruption, and the oceans that regulate global circulation are being forced to adjust to the imbalance. The signal is already in the measurements. Northern temperatures are rising more quickly than those in the south. Rainfall is concentrating in the northern tropics while the southern tropics dry. A stabilizing symmetry that once held the hemispheres in check is no longer functioning. Clouds, once assumed to compensate by adjusting their coverage and reflectivity, are not offsetting the shift. The northern hemisphere has become a net heat sink, and the circulation of air and water across the planet is now being driven by a tilted engine.